Love.
Love Valley.
This way. Please be careful. Look at that. I think that's the juice stand. We got pomegranate orange juices from the stand upstairs. There he is. And now we're gonna go down to Love Valley, and it's the most slippery path. Go Alex. Oh no.
That only looks like one thing.
We're just walking back now after walking through Love Valley, and this is where we have to go back to. Look how far away. This is our trail. And all the way to that point. I'm pretty sure right by that tower, right? Is it?
Bad boy.
Such a mean boy. They're all like, you're so mean!
Go away!
I think they're expecting you to do it now. I would laugh so hard if they're all like, okay, an attack! Oh. I'll come back. Oh, you're so cute. I'm sorry I can't help you guys. Hi. Hi, babies. Oh, babies. You're so cute.